How to fix Instagram feedback required problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Instagram app. Now on this page you will find all the app informations. All what you have to do here is click on the data usage option and then make sure that all those options of the network access are enabled like this, as you can see. After that you have to go back, click on the storage and click on this option clear cache to clear the cache. Now go back and open the Play Store right here, search for Instagram and then update it from here. And you can do the same thing in iOS. That's it guys, very easy and simple tutorial. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end.